Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my fall clean routine. This is the stuff I only do every couple months or once a season. And if you're new, please click the red subscribe button. It's free and you are welcome here. And make sure you're following along on my other socials too so that we can stay connected. And as you watch today, let me know what's going on your fall cleaning list or let me know what's on your fall bucket list. But the first thing I'm doing is rotating my mattress and stripping the bed down so that I can wash my comforter. This one is relatively new. I just got it over the summer when we got a king size bed, and I'll link all of the bedding and the furniture in the comments because I always get questions about it. But I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scented detergent and fabric softener. I got this at Grove and I'm obsessed with the smell for my bedding. It is so sweet and clean smelling. And I'll also link the drying racks that I have in our laundry room because they are one of my favorite things ever and perfect if you have a small laundry room or a narrow space like ours. Next on the list, time to wash our windows, and I'm using the Method Mint glass cleaner. This smells amazing. It's also from Grove. And then to clean my blinds, I'm starting off using the Mrs. Meyer apple cider multi-surface spray, using this little blind cleaner gadget I found on Amazon. And this does work, but just to save me some time, I ended up switching to this xoxo duster and just sprayed the multi-surface spray directly onto that. And I turned all of the blinds down and wiped away any of the dust that was on them. And I think the first one is perfect if you have really narrow, slim blinds, but these larger ones, especially because this is what I have all over my house, cleaned off just fine using that duster and saved me a lot of time. And I did do every window in the house, by the way, but I just filmed a couple for this video. And this video did take me a few days to film because this again is a more intense clean of things that I just do in the fall or that I do once a season or just every couple of months. So that's why you'll see some outfit changes throughout this video. So next I'm wiping down all of the wood paneling and doors around our home and all of the molding that's on the walls, and I'm using that same Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface spray and a microfiber cloth. Then I vacuum all of my upholstery, and when I do the couch, I rotate any of the cushions that can be rotated as well. I'll also link our sectional in case you're interested in that. All right, it's the next day and I'm getting started in the kitchen, pouring some of that same Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the apple cider scent into a bowl, and then using hot water, and I soak a microfiber cloth in that so that I can wipe down all of my kitchen cabinets. And this made my kitchen smell so insanely clean and crisp for fall. I love that apple cider scent. On to tackle the closets and the kid closets, purging any items I won't use, storing any clothes that the kids have outgrown, or storing my out of season clothes. And I just use big plastic bins and label them with chalk labels so that I know what everything is in our basement storage closets. And I am still hanging on to all of my kids' clothes for future babies. Oh, what is that? Oh, thanks. Put this back. Why are your clothes in the trash can? Honey, clothes don't go in the trash can, they go in the hamper. Now this is the third day and I'm tackling my pantry. It's not in horrible shape, but I just wanted to take some things out of boxes and make some more space and declutter and get rid of anything that had expired. And I stocked up the little Dollar Tree baskets I hung on the door with some snacks for Landon and Presley to grab if they're hungry. I'm trying to teach them to be self-sufficient, especially Landon at this age. Next, I'm cleaning my kitchen chairs. Everyone always asks me how I keep these white chairs clean with 2 toddlers, and I use the Resolve for pets on them. If the kids spill something, if it stains, I immediately will spray this on, and then once a season or once a month, I'll spray it on the chairs with any spots that I still see, let it set for 10 or 15 minutes, and then with a wet washcloth, scrub anything that still needs some attention, respray any really hard spots, and then I just let the chairs dry overnight, and it looks so much better the next day once that they are dried. And due to the very rainy week we are having in Cleveland, I can't put away the kids' splash pad or store our outdoor furniture pillows yet, but I got this huge plastic tub that I will keep in the garage just to keep the pillows nicer over the winter. And I ordered a cover for the furniture outside to try to keep snow off this winter as well. But that is the end of my fall cleaning routine video. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if there's any other videos you'd like to see, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, loves.